All right, you gotta hear this. Google Cloud just released something that feels like it's pulled right out of the future. It's a tool that's not for us developers, it's for our AI assistants. It's called Agents CLI, and it's a command line interface where an AI literally builds another AI. And honestly, this might just be one of the smartest things they've ever come up with. Let's get into why.
So if you've ever tried building an AI agent, you know how this goes. You start out thinking, hey, how hard can this be? You type a prompt into your coding assistant and just hope for the best. But as any developer will tell you, what happens next is usually a whole world of pain.
For starters, it is just so slow. Your AI has to go on this massive scavenger hunt. It's trying to figure out the agent development kit, reading through all the latest docs, figuring out how services like Cloud Run even connect. It's like trying to build a giant puzzle without the picture on the box.
And all that slowness, it just leads to massive frustration. After all that waiting, the AI might just make up the wrong syntax, hallucinate, or worse, it starts building something you didn't even ask for. Suddenly, you're debugging code that shouldn't even exist. It's a total headache.
And when things are slow and frustrating, you know what else they are? Yep, expensive. Every time your AI is spinning its wheels trying to figure things out, it's just burning through tokens. Every single mistake, every wrong turn. Cha-ching. It all costs money and it adds up fast.
Okay, so that's the problem. But what if there was a better way? Well, this is where Agents CLI steps in and just completely changes the game. We're not talking about days of work anymore, we're talking minutes. Forget juggling a bunch of complicated tools, now it's just one command. All that cost and frustration, gone, replaced with pure speed and simplicity.
So what is this thing really? Think of Agent CLI like a crash course for your coding agent. With a single command, you're basically installing a whole set of skills directly into it. It gives the AI the complete picture, all the context and knowledge it needs to build other AIs, and to do it the right way, right away.
And here's where the magic really happens. Agent CLI gives your coding agent 7 core skills, and you really should think of them as superpowers, because they basically handle the entire complicated development process for you. Let's break them down one by one.
Superpower number 1 is workflow. This is just plain common sense, but it's brilliant. It's a rulebook that forces the AI to stop and ask you, the developer, hey, what exactly do you want me to build before it even thinks about writing code? No more guessing, no more wasted effort.
Next up, ADK code. Now, the Agent Development Kit is the foundation for all of this, but it's complex. It has hundreds of different ways to be used. This superpower basically gives the AI the entire instruction manual, so when you ask it to build something, it knows the right syntax. It doesn't have to guess, it just knows.
Then you've got Scaffold. Oh, this one is a massive time saver. Forget all that tedious project setup. This superpower does it all. It creates all the files, the folders, the dependencies, everything you need. You just point it at a template and poof, you've got a full project structure ready to go. Superpower number 4 is evaluation. Because, building the agent is one thing, but how do you know if it actually works? Well, this is how. Think of it like a quality control inspector for your AI's brain. You give it some sample questions and the answers you expect, and it tells you if the agent is on the right track or not. Okay, this next one is a huge deal. Superpower number 5, deployment. This one skill takes a job that could keep a whole DevOps team busy for weeks, and it turns it into a single command. It puts your agent live on the internet, on something like Cloud Run, just like that. That's not just an improvement, that's a revolution.
Number 6 is publish. I mean, what's the point of building an amazing agent if nobody can find or use it? This superpower takes care of that. It registers your new agent in Gemini Enterprise, which is basically an internal app store for your company, so the sales team can finally use that cool tool the engineering team just built.
And last but definitely not least is superpower number 7, observability. Because let's be real, once your agent is out in the wild, things are going to break. It's just a fact of life. This skill is your eyes and ears. It watches everything, every prompt, every tool call, every token. So when something goes wrong, you know exactly what happened and how to fix it.
So all those superpowers sound great, right? But what does it look like in practice? Well, let's take a look. In a demo, a coding agent with Agent CLI installed was given one single prompt in plain English. It was just build a simple agent that takes a CSV file and generates an infographic summary. And what happened next was incredible, and it was all automatic. First, the AI created a design plan for approval. Once it got the thumbs up, it generated all the project files. Then, get this, it created its own test data to run a quick smoke test before doing a full performance check, all by itself.
And the end result of that one simple sentence? A fully baked, working AI agent. I mean, everything was there. It had test data, Docker files for deployment, all the observability tools hooked up. It was completely ready for production.
I mean, just let that sink in for a second. The person who ran the demo said it perfectly. They said, I just gave one single prompt, and it has built an ADK-based agent ready to be deployed with everything included. The entire development lifecycle, from an idea to a finished product, was kicked off by a single sentence. That's a game changer.
So what this really means is that our job is changing. We're moving from being the coders to being the architects. We just have to describe what we want, and the AI can handle the construction. And when an AI can build another AI from scratch in just a few minutes, well, it really leaves you with a pretty big question, doesn't it? If this is what's possible today, what are we going to build next?